Hello, it's Gary from Remap and Revive, here with this Vauxhall Movano 2.3 diesel. It's a big van, ex-delivery van, now weekends or camper. 2.3 diesel gives 123 brake horsepower and 310 Newton meters of torque in standard trim. This is somewhat lacking considering the size and weight. Now it's kitted out inside, so the owners asked us to come and provide some more power. So with the stage 1 remap, we're going to add 40 brake horsepower and 70 Newton meters of torque, so that's going to make pulling away and accelerating a lot easier on the vehicle and on the driver, and give better economy on the longer runs as well. We've also given it an engine carbon clean. This is a 2011 van and it's only done 106,000 miles. It's covered very low mileage in the last 3 or 4 years, so we're giving it a clean just to help get the best from the engine, keep all the components working as they should, and help reliability as well.